Unlock a powerful revenue stream by transforming Facebook Marketplace into your dropshipping powerhouse. And I'll show you exactly how in under 2 minutes. Step 1. Product sourcing. Think niche. Think trending. Browse Facebook Marketplace itself for in-demand items that are currently being sold by others. But look for those with a bit of markup potential. You can also explore platforms like AliExpress or AshleyHowTo to find reliable suppliers offering products that aren't saturating marketplace yet. Step 2. Listing optimization. This is crucial. Take high quality, appealing photos of your chosen product. Write a compelling, keyword-rich description that highlights benefits, not just features. Crucially, set a competitive price that allows for profit after accounting for supplier costs and potential Facebook fees. Step 3. Seamless order fulfillment. When a customer buys from you, you then purchase that item from your supplier. Your supplier ships directly to your customer. Your profit is the difference between what your customer paid you and what you paid your supplier, minus any fees. Step 4. Stellar customer service. Respond promptly to inquiries, be transparent about shipping times, and handle any issues professionally. Happy customers lead to repeat business and positive reviews, boosting your visibility and sales. By mastering these steps, you can build a profitable dropshipping business right on Facebook Marketplace. Start experimenting, learn what sells, and watch your sales grow. #dropshipping, #Facebook Marketplace.